Thank you for choosing us. We are 100% Italian from fabrics to manufacturing, and we deliver unique, made-to-measure products to unique people. Now that we know what you like, we need to know your measurements and body type. All you need is a measuring tape and some help. You might ask your colleague, your mom, or perhaps we just provide you with the right excuse to knock at your new neighbor's door. Okay, relax. Be natural. This will make you look good in your new suit. So, take off your wallet, phone, keys, your belt, and your shoes. And let's get started. Measure around your chest, beneath your armpit, and in line with your nipples. Relax your arms at your sides and make sure the measuring tape is leveled. Measure around your neck, between the Adam's apple and the base of your neck. Identify the bones at the top edge of each shoulder. Measure from bone to bone, following your natural curve. Relax your arms and measure the length in 2 steps. 1. Start from the bone at the top edge of your shoulder and measure to your elbow. And 2. Hold the measuring tape there and continue to measure until just below your wrist bone. Relax your arms at your sides and wrap the measuring tape around your bicep, under your armpit, in line with your nipples. Wrap the tape measure around your wrist, just below your wrist bone. Lower your head a little and measure from the most protruding bone behind your neck till your crotch. Wrap the tape around your stomach and in line with your belly button. Be sure the tape is leveled all the way around. To find your waist, put 4 fingers under your belly button. Wrap the measuring tape around your waist, keeping it leveled. Please note that the pants you are wearing aren't necessarily on that line. Wrap the measuring tape around your hips at the widest point of your buttocks. Starting at your crotch, hold the measuring tape in position and measure the inside part of your leg to the floor. Wrap the tape measure around your thigh just below the crotch. Be sure the tape measure is leveled all the way around.